Hello all, this is Kumar Chandan. Welcome to Stock Fixers. We will analyze Bank Nifty and Nifty on the basis of Y and change in Y. We will also take a look on trend cycle and find out what is going on over that. First, we will start with Bank Nifty and first find the closing price of Bank Nifty. Here is the closing price. 20,654.55 was the closing on June 12th, and we are talking about 18th June expiry. And now we will find out the trading range. The trading range is the range between the highest call and highest put. Highest call is the highest resistance for Bank Nifty, whereas the highest put will act as a highest support for the Bank Nifty. So first of all, we will try to find out where is the highest resistance. For that purpose, we will go through this column, and we can see here is the highest resistance at 22,000 strike. Here is 22,000 strike, and where we have the highest resistance at 22, where 3,33,000 contracts are open, and also 1,12,000 contracts are added today only. And second highest resistance is here around 3,23,000 contracts are open at 21,000, and also 1,05,000 contracts are added today only over here. That is change in Y. Now the highest support, for finding highest support, we will go through this column. Here is around 4,21,000 contracts are open at 19,000 strike, followed by here 2,99,000 contracts at 19,500. So these are the important support. However, we can also consider this one is a immediate support for Bank Nifty, because we have 2,88,000 contracts open over here, keeping 85,000 change in Y at that strike today only, and here 1,79,000 strike open change in Y today only at 19,000. So these are the important level on resistance and support. Now time to find out the pivot level. The pivot level for the Bank Nifty seems to be this one, 20,500. Here around 1,51,000 contracts are open, whereas here you can see 1,06,000 contracts are open at both sides. So this is the pivot level for Bank Nifty, this one. And the trading range for the Bank Nifty seems to be 19,000 to 22,000. Above this 20,500, it will try to go towards 21,000, 21,500, 22,000. Below this, it will try to go towards 20,000, 19,500, 19,000. So 20,500 is the make and break level for the Bank Nifty. Another thing that we have to check is here this see, this indicates the call writing. The call writing was huge here, and also the put writing was huge here. This indicates the range bound for the Bank Nifty, and range bound to little negative for the Bank Nifty on the OI. Now we will also check its trend cycle. Before that, we will move towards Nifty and find out what is going on the Nifty. First, we will check out the closing price of Nifty, which is at 9,972.9 on 12th June, and we are talking about 18th June expiry. Now we will find the trading range, highest call and highest put. Highest call in the highest resistance, where is the highest put will act as the highest support. Here is the highest call, around 17,37,000 contracts are open at 10,000. So this is going to be the highest resistance for the Nifty. And see this one, followed by 15 lakh contracts at 10,500. So these are the important resistance, whereas we cannot ignore these resistance as well. So these are the resistance zone we can say these are going to be the very tough competition for the Nifty if it tries to go up. So it will get steep resistance over here, because we can see a huge call writing over here. In change in Y, here is huge at 10,000, followed by here you can see at 10,100, here 10,200, 10,300. These level are also important on change in OY as well. Now if we talk about the highest put, then we can see 9,500 is over here, followed by 9,000. We can see here is the 9,000, around 20 lakh contracts over here, and here 23 lakh contracts open over here. Today 10 lakh contracts are added over 9,500. That's the reason we have seen some smart recovery from lower levels. This is, and also here 10 lakh contracts added, also this level 10 lakh contracts added. So these are also the important level. You can see here around 15 lakh, here around 10 lakh contracts, here around 14 lakh contracts. So we can see here resistance, here support. So Bank Nifty is not going to break, it seems not going to break the support and resistance easily, and it is going to be the range bound. And now the pivot level for the Bank Nifty is 9,900. See, almost equal OY over here on both sides. So this is the pivot level, and the range of the Nifty seems to be 9,500 to 10,300 or 10,300. This is going to be the range for the Nifty. Now if we talk about this change, this indicates some call buying was here, this indicates put selling was here. So this call buying is just due to the smart recovery that we have seen today. Otherwise overall Nifty looks on data range bound to little positive, whereas Bank Nifty looks on data OY and change in Y little negative. Now we will check out the max span and PCR and trend cycle for Nifty and Bank Nifty. For that purpose we will go to our blog and check out what is going on our blog on trend cycle in Nifty and Bank Nifty both. First we will check out the max span. The max span for the Bank Nifty has decreased, and also the Nifty has decreased. This is negative. If max span decrease, you can check the about max span more over here after clicking this link. And the trend cycle. See, Bank Nifty is showing some positive trend cycle, long unwinding long, but Nifty is showing some mixed or some bigger trend cycle, like long short cover. This is confusing. And if we see last 4 days, we can see this one, long unwinding long short cover. In last 4 days, 4 different cycle. This is simply discrete confusion. So have to be careful on Nifty and Bank Nifty while trading. And also the VIX is moved up, and this indicates the uncertainty in the market. So we can see some wild swing in the market. So we have to keep the strict SL and target. If you trade Nifty and Bank Nifty, you have to keep strict SL, so you can manage the wild swing. This is all about Nifty and Bank Nifty. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share it and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching.